Hey guys, good noon. Charot. Nandito na ako sa bahay.
There's one in there.
Oh, Han, you drop your... Hey! Here you go. Your headphone. Kauwi na po ako guys. So, samahan ko si asawa mag-pick up sa kay Gabriel muna. Ay, gosh! Yung electric car namin guys. Ayan oh. Kasi pag uwi ko, lagi naka-charge. Para magbalik na naman siya sa fully charge, guys. So, ang tagal na nito sasakyan sa akin. Yung pagdating ko, andito na to. Binili ng asawa ko. It's already almost 9 years. Aray ko. So, tara guys. Tara tayo sa school ni Kate pa rin. Valley High School. Not really.
Like if you go,
Maybe all the way there to Alex's house.
kind of like
Jody?
go all the way down Bear Valley, where the high school is.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like if you're going,
Meron siya sinasabi na
you know where Navajo is.
kakainan. Navajo, I think so. Kakainan daw namin next time, guys.
Well, that's it's way out there. Way out there. There's a barbecue place out there.
Really? We should go there. Try.
Huh?
I said we should go there and see and try, you know, maybe. Maybe it's good.
Well,
Ang init, guys. No, not tonight. 99 degrees. Where are you going?
oh, shit. I was going to the store. I was thinking we were going to Walmart.
He's messed up right now, guys. He's not thinking. That's why don't think of me too much. Tara na guys, punta na tayo sa school.
Look, our children.
Nandito na kami. Nilalagyan na nila ng cone dyan, oh,
Oink.
para hindi mag-park kahit saan na lang ang mga sasakyan. Yan. So, the reason why talagang maaga po kami dito dahil, ayun o, it's like 1 hour early kami pero ang sasakyan may pila na po. Pero mabuti na lang at kung 1 hour early ka, hindi ka masyadong malayo. Kasi aabot pa yan doon sa malayo ang pila. Okay. So, doon yung gate. Doon banda yung gate.
Right there.
Yes, that's perfect. Doon banda yung gate. Well,
You just got to do it by hand, probably, for now.
oh, naayos na yung side
I
mirror.
don't know where. Just gonna have to do.
Later, I will show you which one I want. Well,
You're gonna have to just roll down your window, and because you're different height, I can't. And
what's
if you
my
want-
height?
And then if you want up or down, you just go right here.
Oh,
Oh, it goes now. Look,
let me see your hand, babe.
it was just stuck.
Wait kami sa gate. Kaya kung maaga ka, like 1 hour early. So, ngayon is, ano pa lang, 12:53. So, 1:47 po yung out nila. Diba? Ang aga-aga namin. Pero okay lang yan kasi, kawawa kasi yung anak namin pag matagal siya mag-antay dito sa labas. Ang init-init, ang lamig-lamig. No, thank you. I don't want
Taste.
that.
It's good.
Ako mag-Gatorade, kids. No, I want to have coffee
Taste my
later.
glacier freeze. This one little taste, come on. I like.
How come this is like bitter? Because I
don't know.
brush my teeth? Oh, zero sugar. Bitter siya, guys. Ayoko siya. Anyway, so mag-antay lang kami dito. Alam niyo nang gagawin namin. After 1 hour later. Char. Andun na si Gabriel sa my gate. Ayan. So, meron dyan teacher na nag-a-assist. Yan. Yan. Kaya lang, I can't show the face. Tapos, andun na si Gabriel, guys. Nag-aantay na po siya doon. Ayan. Did I?
Yeah.
You don't notice?
There she goes.
Guys, I'm sorry if my husband is just so messy, his clothes.
I had a little work.
Dito na si Gabriel, guys. Papunta na po siya dito.
Oh, there he is.
There he is. Ayan na si Gabriel, guys. Come on, get in.
Yes.
Get in. Let's go. Close the door. Close the door.
All right, you did it.
Yay! Andito na siya. Hi.
Mommy,
Yes.
it wasn't in the lost and found.
Where was it?
It was still at the park.
Oh,
the
yeah.
park.
Your teacher actually noticed us that you guys found it. So, I'm glad. How's your day? Seatbelt, okay?
Yeah.
You
Ayan.
better put your name in
great.
there.
Alright, we're gonna put his name in there. Good day today? Huh?
Yeah.
Alright.
Friday, now you can sleep, stay up,
Sleep in. Thank God.
drink.
Drink some Gatorade. Yan, tingnan nyo naman ang pila, guys. Yan po ang pila ng mga drive-up, pick-up gaya ng kay Gabriel. Ayan, oh. Grabe, 'di ba? So, kung matagal kayong pupunta dito, malayo-layo na nang abutin nyo, doon pa po kayo, oh. So, talagang maganda kung maaga tayong pupunta dito. Total, wala namang ginagawa yung asawa ko sa bahay. So, bakit hindi? Super crowded, 'di ba? Anyway. Oh, his butt is in there.
You gotta go slow because somebody will come flying by right there.
I know. Alright, guys. So, andito na si Gabriel. So, uwi na po kami. Okay? Hey, guys. So, dito na kami sa bahay. So, let's do laba-laba. Wait, ha? Eh. Kasi, gamitin natin ang mic. Namang mic, bakit hindi ginagamit? Diba? Yun. Ayan. So, gamitin na natin ang ating mic, guys. Para naririnig nyo ako. So, mag-full tayo ng mga damit ni Kuya. Dahil, nag-i-school na po sila mga guys, no? So, pagdating niya, sobrang pagod. Kaya, sabi ko, sige, maglaba ka lang dyan. And, ako na mag-fold pagdating ko. Para, hindi mo na kailangan na i-fold. Tulungan na lang kita. Yan. Kasi sobrang busy na kasi nila mga guys. Mahirap na po talagang mag-aral. Alam mo na. Dahil noon nag-aaral po tayo. Anyway, tapusin lang natin to. And then mag-nap po tayo dahil syempre, hindi pwedeng walang nap guys. Alam niyo na. Ang kadagandahan lang talaga ng DJI guys is, of course, maganda yung quality. At the same time guys, madali pong ma-charge yung ating gimbal. Yung ating, gimbal ba tawag dyan? Basta yung DJI natin, mabilis talaga siyang ma-charge guys. No problem. Malapit na tayo matapos. And then we can go take a nap. So, I'll see you guys later.
No, like shoulder thing and booty shorts and like open toe slippers.
Dang. How, what grade? She in? Fourth?
Fourth.
No, I mean 6, 7? For sure 7, 8? Your classmate or no?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
All
crazy.
my classmates were in fourth grade.
No, I will not let you wear like that. You gotta be...
Tattoo, I'm kidding.
I'm just saying, you gotta be a decent girl, okay? Like, be like that is okay. Kakarating niya lang from school. I gotta cook.
No reaction. Just burns a little bit.
Oh,
Like I'm not allowed to itch it.
not so much itch. That's good. Can you please wash your bowl? Anyway, guys, hello. Nagnap ako at saka nagising. Of course. So, ngayon, nagluluto na po tayo ng dinner. Ayan po yung dinner. Stir fry. Ay, nako. Yan na lang ang mahirap. Yan ang mahirap, guys, kapag gumagamit ako ng lens. Kasi, mahirap siyang anuhin. Kasi pag ano mo yan, ipakita mo yung manok, kailangan ko pang tanggalin yung lens. But anyway, yun nga, sabi ng aking dalaga na wala daw churba sa school kasi, so pwede daw magsuot ng kahit na ano. Kaya nga sabi ko sa kanya, ikaw magsuot ka na yung sapat lang, yung maganda tingnan, wag naman yung labas ang mga puwet. Anyway, luto po tayo ng stir fry for dinner sa aking asawa. And then, for the kiddos and me, I'm not sure yet. But right now, magawa muna tayo ng guacamole, guys. May avocado tayo dyan. Excuse me. Kasi parang gusto ko mag-guacamole. Ayan, nakita ko kasi yung lalaki nung nag-restaurant kami with my friends. Wow, look at that. So beautiful avocado, guys. Inano niya lang. Okay naman ko eh. Lagay niya lang lahat sa bowl. Tapos, ano, parang ganyan-ganyan. Tapos nilagyan ng konting kamatis. At saka onion. So, gawin na natin at makita niyo mamaya.
This one.
Yes. Wow, look at this. So beautiful. Tapos, lagyan na natin ng asin, guys. Ayan, goods na. Ayun, ang ganda ng avocado, oh. Yan, guys, oh. So, tayo, guys. So, mag-slice lang tayo saglit ng tomato. Ito, na-slice na to. Sobra kasi ito, guys. Ayan, pababa na naman yung lens natin. Ayan. Tapos, konting onion. Ang lalaki ng onion dito. Grabe. Bukas. Mas prefer ko sana yung maliit lang para, alam niyo na, hindi siya lahat ma-open ba. Ayan po natin ng lime. At saka, asin. A little bit salt. Little ba? At pepper, guys. Ayan. So, andito na ang aking mga kids. Lahat po sila. So, thank you, Lord. Ito siya, guys. Tanda! Tap po natin sa inyo dahil ayan. So, yan ang tinatawag na guacamole. Avocado, tapos kamatis, and some onion. Ayan. So, let's try. Hindi ko talaga bet ang ganitong chips. Pero, sige na lang. Tikman na natin. Ay, naku. Pero bakit iba yung akin? Sarap naman siya. Kaya lang, iba yung lasa ng akin. Anyway, maya ulit, guys. Magandang umaga po. Ay, magandang gabi. Guys, gabi na po dito mga guys, no? And, linisan na natin saglit yung CR ng mga bata. Lalo na itong bathtub mga guys kasi, ang dumi. Di pa rin talaga nalagay ng asawa ko yung yung panghanggod na itong mga towel, guys. Siyempre, kasi hindi naman natin mapilit yung asawa natin, guys. Kasi, siyempre, pagod na din yan. Masakit yung likod niya. Kaya, okay lang muna yan. Sa ngayon. So, lagyan. Linis muna ako dito sa bathtub, guys, no? Dahil, nakakadumi na po talaga, guys. Dahil, ang aking asawa ay galit po siya. Gusto niya maglinis ako kahit hating gabi na mga guys. Ganon. Mag-ingat. Mag-ingat po kayo sa pag-aasawa ng mga afam. Charot lang, guys. Ibabad. Kasi madali lang magdumi kasi to dito part, guys, oh. Kailangan kong off yung camera saglit kasi hindi na po siya nagagana. So anyway, charot lang, guys, na ang asawa ko nagagalit. Hindi naman siya nagagalit. Ako lang talaga gusto maglinis ngayong oras na ito, guys, kasi nga para bukas since hapon ang ating trabaho, makapag-relax pa tayo. So ganyan kasi ako, mga guys. Kailangan ko nang gawin ang dapat mong gawin bukas para matagal ako magising bukas ba. Sabado kasi bukas, mga guys. Kaya, ganun. Anyway, tapusin na natin to. Tapos, mag-ano na tayo matulog.